Hey there, dream chasers. Welcome back to Love Life, the place where we turn dreams into reality. Today's topic is escaping the relentless rat race and finally living life on your own terms. But before we jump into the secrets of breaking free, let me ask you something. How many of you are tired of the 9-to-5 grind, feeling stuck in a monotonous routine day in and day out? Do you want more? Do you find yourself craving the freedom to pursue your passions and wake up excited about your day? Today, I'm not just going to show you the path out of the rat race. I'm going to guide you every step of the way. The frustration of spending the majority of your waking hours doing something you're not passionate about, just to pay the bills, can be soul-crushing. The dream of financial freedom and a fulfilling life seems like a distant fantasy. I've been there too, and I know how it feels to have dreams that seem out of reach. The good news is, breaking free from the rat race is not only possible, but it's also more achievable than you might think. In this video, we'll explore practical steps and mindset shifts that will set you on the path to financial independence, allowing you to escape the chains of the traditional 9-to-5 by considering 3 pillars. 1. Financial strategies. The first pillar, financial strategies, is crucial for breaking free from the rat race. One powerful approach is to create multiple streams of income. For instance, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate for financial independence, or a side hustle. Check the video out at the top for passive income ideas which require low investment. 2. Mindset shifts. Now let's tackle the second pillar, mindset shifts. It's not just about the money, it's about transforming the way you think about work and success. Consider key mental roadblocks you may need to overcome, such as overcoming fear of leaving the 9-to-5, developing an entrepreneur mindset, building confidence to pursue your passion. 3 practical steps. Lastly, the third pillar involves practical steps to turn dreams into reality. Actionable steps that you can take right now, such as the following examples. Creating a detailed financial plan for early retirement. Think long-term. Setting achievable goals for financial independence. Building a sustainable business from your passion. There you have it, the 3 pillars to escape the rat race. Remember, it's not just about watching this video, it's about implementing these strategies in your life. So, which pillar resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Your journey to financial freedom and a fulfilling life begins now. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until next time, keep chasing those dreams.